Alright guys, what's up? Stixx Picks here, back with a video. We are here at a storage unit with my dad and Uncle Michael. He's back there. My hair's a little messed up, my bad. You know, I didn't really brush it this morning. It looks all messed up, but let's get right to the video. Alright, this box is taped up. You know, we got some tape on this box. Let's see what's in here. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, like a little model plane. Look at that. More model stuff. What is this? A little doll. Okay. A little doll. I guess he's calling them Nintendo. What is this? What's that? Wii? It's a Wii U down there. Look at that.
Oh, is there one in there, you think?
Maybe, but I know Wii U's are kind of older, so I don't know if it'll be too extensive. Yeah, there's definitely one in here. These are brand new. Somewhat older though.
No?
The Wii U's are older, so I don't know how much they're actually worth, but if it's brand new, it's some money.
How do you tell if it's... It looks like the original seal, huh? Let's look. Let's comp this. Here's some comps on it, just so you know.
There's some comps on it. There you guys go. Look at that.
Well, it's more for you than them because you're down talking it. And look, it looks like it's an easy minimum $200, right?
Yeah, I wasn't down talking it.
Oh, right. Down talking my Wii.
Woo! All right, that's a good box. A good box. A good first box. Bam.
I feel like we have a chance to hit comic books and more video games. You know who these guys are?
Roadrunner.
And who's the other guy?
Coyote guy. I don't remember his name. I don't even know.
Ooh.
Oh my goodness.
Is that a jewelry box?
Let's find out. A bunch of movies.
That's your job, Uncle Mike. Oh, dang, Uncle.
Hey, what's in there? Hey. Oh. Is this real gold?
Look at that. That is cute. Oh, look, it's all skanky though. No, it's costume.
All right, we gotta set it aside for this guy. It's hot out here. Oh my goodness.
And the guy gave me a pretty good deal on it. I'm having a feeling that maybe he stole it. I would like to know if you could find out for me, see if it's stolen or not. Maybe if so, I can get it to the rightful owner.
Sure, hold on just
Tom, I'm gonna get you and call you people if you're gonna keep giving me the recordings. I'm trying to do the rightful thing to get the person.
Thank you for calling the city of Stockton. You have reached the voicemail of Stockton PD investigation. Your PD case number, and we will return your call as soon as possible. Our normal...
I'm not doing all that.
I do not recognize that number.
All right. All right, looks like all my boxes are just not good. Yeah, the first box is good. Give me the different types of... Oh wait, never mind. It's a laptop. Little baby laptop. Looks like a school laptop. No. Some towels, kitchen stuff, notebooks. Damn, next box, let's see what's in here.
Oh,
woo, whole box of movies.
Come on, be some seal video games. Don't forget the seal one.
Don't forget it. It's getting hot already, come on. These are movie people. They like their movies. They like Dexter. Box, let's hope it's not movies. Please, please, please. I don't want to get in movies. Hey, it's a good sign. I don't see any movies yet. All of their receipts for taxes, probably. Nice. Oh, it's their cat bed or whatever. Oh, good. Oh, yeah, that's all their animal stuff. I'm sorry, I'm not going through that. All right, we found their kitchen stuff. We found their kitchen utensils. Oh, snap. Got a little bowl, a little drainer thing, a little crock pot. A little crock pot. All right, next box. What are these, like patterns? I think this is what they're called, patterns. Bunch of sewing stuff. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this box is just full of sewing stuff. These are like patterns. If I'm not mistaken, you make blankets, you make a bunch of stuff out of these. All right, box. I don't think it's point in me going through all of it though. It's definitely all patterns. Disposable absorbent underwear. All right. Adult diapers. Then what would he be?
What would he be? Whatever Jessica tells him.
All right, another kitchen box. I don't like the same stuff over and over again. We got some movies, then we got kitchen stuff. Let me get a cool box. Another phone box. Probably no phone yet. No phone. Hey, quarters. $10 worth of quarters right there. Bam. Look at that. All right, next box. Nice. Some Wii games in here. Could be a Wii in here, I guess. Oh yeah, look at all of their Wii stuff in this box. Dude, let me find a Switch. I don't want no Wii. Come on, let there be a Switch somewhere in this unit. Some Wii games.
Wii games?
Yeah.
For the useless Wii U?
It's the normal Wii.
Jumping Jehoshaphat's. Oh, Bakugan. I used to watch every episode of this. Never. This is good, Michael. Thank you. Oh, and oh my God.
The Wii.
Pulling out the money. You told me that was a crap box of towels.
There's the cups in here. Big old crock pot. Big old crock pot down there. There's a bunch of cups. All right, looks like you get in their kitchen stuff. All right, guys, I was just editing the video, and I guess I forgot to make an outro. I do that sometimes, I guess, but thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. I always say if you watch my outro, I appreciate it, but that's really cool of you guys. If you just watch my whole video and watch my outro, then you guys actually appreciate my content. And thank you. Thank you very much. You guys can like, share, and subscribe if you guys would like. You guys don't have to. I don't like saying that type of stuff, you know. If you guys would like to do it, you guys would have already done it, you know.
Don't do it.
But we're out. Peace out.